In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, cut, and paste in Google Docs. If you're new to Google Docs or just need a refresher, this is the perfect place to start. Imagine you're sitting at your computer ready to work on a document. First things first, let's get you into Google Docs. Open up your web browser and head over to google.com. It's a simple and familiar beginning for most of us. Once the page loads, find and click the sign in button to enter your Google account. Now you'll need to type in your email address. After entering that, click the next button, then enter your password and click next again, and there you go. You're signed in. Next, look towards the upper right-hand corner and you'll see a small grid comprising 9 small boxes. Click on this icon and a menu of Google Apps will appear. From those options, select Google Docs by clicking on it. Then choose the document you want to work on from your list. Open it up and let's get started with copying and pasting. The first thing you'll want to do is highlight the text, image, or object you intend to copy. To do this, click and hold at the beginning of the text and drag across until everything you need is highlighted. Now we begin the copying process. You have options here. If you're someone who loves keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C if you're on a Windows computer or CMD+C if you're on a Mac. Prefer using the mouse? No problem. Simply click on Edit in the top menu, then click Copy. If you're looking to cut text or objects out so that they disappear from where they currently are, you'll follow a similar process. Highlight what you want to cut and use the shortcut Ctrl+X on Windows or CMD+X on a Mac. Alternatively, you can click on Edit in the top menu again and select Cut. Now to paste what you've copied or cut, place the cursor where you'd like the text or object to appear. The simple keyboard shortcut for pasting is Ctrl+V on a Windows system or CMD+V on a Mac. Once again, the top menu bar comes to the rescue. You can click Edit, then Paste. If you want to adapt the style of your pasted text to match the current formatting of your document, you can opt to paste without formatting. Use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V for Windows or CMD+Shift+V on a Mac. Alternatively, the Edit menu offers the Paste without formatting option for mouse users. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently copy, cut, and paste in Google Docs, streamlining your document workflow. Happy editing!